Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the movie recommendation system using machine learning. So this will be the home page. Let's explore the about project. In about project section we have added the complete project description. This is the home page. Let's click on the IMDB rating and you can select the classes. Let's select the all generic and click on the get recommendation. So it will show the list. So just click on the all genre and it will show all the recommendation. You can select from the drop down list, like I'm selecting the crime, and then click on the get recommendation. Recommend the movie with the movie, year and the genre. The model will load and it will take a bit time. So it will show the all the movie names with the year. Okay, you can select another name, like I'm selecting musical class. So model will load and it will take time. No recommendation are available. So let's click on the content based and enter the movie name. I'm entering the Dark Knight Rises. Okay, and then click on the get recommendation. It will show the recommendation like movie with the proper particular year. Like this is the home page. Now click on the collaborative and enter the person name to, and then click on the get recommendation. So it will show the movie and the average rating. Let's give another input. So no recommendation are available on this particular person name. So click on the exit. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.